Today we will know the current affairs of the newspaper Thursday सितंबर 11 2025 में हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स NATO jet down Russian drones above Poland. Means first heading damaged drones in the eastern Polish village of Kozhon on Wednesday Day. BJP JDU may fight around 100 seats each in Bihar polls. EC revives petition for nationwide SIR. Type may start by year of the bill. SC outlines test to set Chosky taken Indian citizen Belgium told. Forest and AAP says BJP politicizing Durga Puja. Slim iPhone may be a bit of fresh air for Asian product line analytics. The poor number theory. The poor are driving India's demographic trends now by Abhishek Jha and Roshan Kishore. The latest result from the sample registration system SRS mark an important milestone in India's demographic trajectory. Total fertility rate TFR is in the average number of children a woman has in her lifetime in India. Rural area touched 2.1 for the first time in 2023 after TFR in 2.1 is considered replacement level fertility, which ensures a stable population if maintained over a long time. SRS is the most authoritative source of demographic trends in India apart from the census and used in a host of calculations. While SRS does not give a breakup of data beyond a state level or rural urban, the National Family and Health Survey (NFSH) suggests that the latest filtering in India demographical in the result of people having fewer children. Most of the recent fall in overall TRF is due to rural TFR. India were test achieved 2.1 threshold in 2019 and 20 respectively. To issue overall TFR has been following trajectory in 1973 itself, 2 years after the beginning of the SRS series in 1971. The comparison of rural and urban TRF numbers show that most of the recent fall in overall have been a fall in rural TRF number. Urban TFR in fact fell in 2006, which 1.5 to rural TRF another hand fallen more sharply in 2004, and this is the data. Indian total fertility rate, rural urban. Second out of India, 22 large states at UTS 13 now have below replacement level TFR in both rural and urban area. Rural area India 2.9 TFR, total demographic trajectory TFR and Uttar Pradesh 2.7, Madhya Pradesh 2.6, Chhattisgarh 2.5, Rajasthan 2.4, Jharkhand 2.3 in 2003, and in urban area 2003 we are 2.2, Uttar Pradesh 2.2, Rajasthan 2.1, and last is Tamil Nadu 1.3, and last is West Bengal 1.1. And third important thing, what is the more important in the class-wise trends in TFR? Use TFR by wealth quite live. Poorest 20%. 20 to 40%, reaches 20%, means 2019 21 and 21 2021 2.63 poorest and 1.57 richest. What does a larger political economy around the demographic in India? The most important in the fact is India need to prepare itself in a place of population stabilize and start declining. According to United 2024 population projection, the growth rate of India population already sold from the CAGR in 2023 and 2026 difficult rather reach a majority Indian forward. Trump Modi pledge talk to fix trade tariff increase. Naya Bastar traditional strength modern opportunities. Positive report aimed contradictory signal. India and the US are close friends and natural partners. I am confident that trade negotiation will pave the way of unlocking the limited political of the Indian-US partnership, and also looking forward to the speaking with Vice President. This is said by Narendra Modi, and Donald Trump said, US President, I look forward to speaking with my very good friend PM Modi. I feel certain that there will be no difficulty in coming to the successful conclusion for both great countries. American top courts to expedite hearing in tariff appeal. The US Supreme Court granted an unusual quick hiring of President Trump's civil tariff on Tuesday. The justice will hear the case in November, and Latin first timetable of Supreme Court typically stand. The tariff will be stayed in place. Meanwhile, lower courts, including an appeal judge, have found most of the tariff illegal. Trump wants 100% EU tariff on India, China. The European Union is unlikely to impose state tariff on India and China made by Russian oil. President Donald Trump has to block to do EU, source said. Putin. FTA. More story. Oman weeks. Piyush Goyal. DRDO. Modi Meloni discussed with in Ukraine or India and EU discussed threat assessment. Modi condemned Israeli strike in Doha. Army out. Curfew. Claimed as Nepal hunt a new leader. Kathmandu, Nepal. India in Nepal's scramble to safety. We are traders bear brunt of violence along border.